Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? You guys, I am so under the weather right now, but this video is in partnership with ft.Ali Pearl Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 22-inch 4C kinky edges curly 13x4 lace frontal wig unit in 180 density, and it's a medium-sized cap, so it fit my head very nice. I did my baby hairs this week. It's 100% glueless, so you could definitely go ahead and take it off whenever you're ready to without any edges missing. Like, I'm really feeling this hair, and if you'd like to see how I did that quick and easy glueless install, just keep on watching.
just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide, slide. Care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me cause you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apologies when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look, and this wig is from ft.Ali Pearl Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 22-inch 4C kinky curly edges lace front wig. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, and it is 180 density. I'm really feeling this unit right now. Like, I'm loving the fullness of it. The length is cute too. Like, it's giving cutting about, but no, like, I'm living for this hair. It is definitely 100% dry, and I used water and hair moisturizer, not conditioner, because I feel like I cracked the code with this moisturizer. Like, the hair feels so nice and soft. Everything just feels perfect. You're not getting any crunchiness. You're getting the curls all defined and stuff. So chef's kiss. And yeah, Ali probably did that because right now I feel like I ate these edges up. It came with a lot of like bushy edges, and I just tried to make do with what it was, and instead of leaving them like that, I did style it so it's like dramatic baby hairs, and I'm feeling it. So if you'd like to get your hands on this unit from Ali Pearl Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.